Hello. Vechain has had some positive news, and this is regards to the latest MICA regulations. Now, some of you are definitely not happy with the reporting requirements in the new MICA regulations, but Vechain investors should actually be pretty happy because Vechain itself is really happy and satisfied because of the MICA approval. Now, what the new regulations do is that it seeks to protect investors by requiring crypto firms to be authorized by the EU, which means it'll cut the number of scam crypto firms down. But Vechain, headquartered in Europe, having a lot of European partners, is indeed authorized by the EU. So it shrinks the field of competition in the European Union, and this could lead to increased VC investments in Vechain. That's not retail investments by you or me. People are going to buy Vechain or sell Vechain just as they were. But venture capital investments, what that means is they're going to attract more investments onto Vechain, which means more money to fund more projects. Now, I want to know if those projects are going to be industrial based for industrial utility, or they're going to develop the ecosystem. I'm obviously more interested in those that develop the ecosystem because I just don't really think the industrial utility is going to affect price anytime in the foreseeable future. However, you get funding for DeFi, NFTs, and stuff like that. That's going to lock up a lot of value. That's going to increase usage way more on the chain than any partnership, and that's going to drive up price. Obviously, it hasn't happened yet because we are just getting started. The MICA stuff has just come down. And this hopefully should get rid of a lot of the garbage in Europe because now you have to be authorized by the EU to actually be a legitimate crypto company. And I think only these legitimate crypto companies are going to attract VC investment. So the pool of stuff that the VCs are going to be interested in investing in is going to come down, and Vechain will be one of those platforms. So their quote is, "Our position as a leading blockchain platform based in Europe's regulatory environment ensures Vechain will greatly benefit from the enhanced clarity of established crypto rules. We're proud and excited to play a critical role in building tomorrow's economy." Obviously, it has a lot to do with KYC, AML, and basically anti-terrorism financing rules. Vechain is fully legit there. Remember, I think Vechain kind of knew this was coming, and that's why they moved their headquarters from China into Europe, and that's where they're focusing on the bulk of their expansion in the European Union instead of in China right now. Yes, they still have the big partnerships in China, but their main course of expansion is with the EU and with the new money. They want to obviously lend a sizable portion of VC investments. And basically, they are considered one of the top blockchain companies in the European Union. And hopefully that makes traders more confident and want to hold Vechain for the long run, at least those long-term traders. Now, those are few and far between. Most crypto people are in it for sun money. But, if you can get more long-term traders to hold Vechain, that will obviously do better for long-term price. Obviously, the price benefit hasn't gone up yet, but we don't really know what VCs have actually come in yet. But I think this is a very positive overall thing for Vechain because it does show that they are completely compliant with MICA regulations. They're one of the authorized crypto companies in the EU, and that means venture capitalists, the ones with the big money, are going to be interested in investing in their ecosystem and in their industrial utility. I hope mostly it's their ecosystem because they have plenty of industrial utility, but the ecosystem is going to be where the money is. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.